on every single day, probably without even knowing it. We're going to talk about how modern manufacturing builds a kind of quality fortress to guarantee the products you use are safe. I mean, really think about it for a second. When you take a pill for a headache, how do you know it has the right dose, that it's free from anything nasty, and that it's just as safe as the last one you took? What's the secret sauce that stops one batch from being perfect and the next one from being, well, a total disaster? Well, thankfully, the answer isn't just luck. It's not about crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. It's a meticulously designed, super robust system known as GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices. You can think of this as the master blueprint that manufacturers use to lock in quality. So what is GMP exactly? At its heart, it's the rule book for manufacturing. It's a whole system of rules designed to minimize every possible risk. It builds quality, safety, and effectiveness into a product right from the get-go. The whole philosophy is about prevention, not just trying to spot errors later. Now, to really appreciate why GMP is so vital, you gotta understand the challenge it's up against. In any kind of large-scale production, the two biggest enemies are inconsistency and risk. Without a super rigid system, things like human error and contamination are just constant looming threats. So how do you actually defend against them? So how does GMP build this fortress? Well, it starts with two foundational pillars. You've got the people making the product, and you've got the product itself. Let's think of them as the highly trained defenders and the priceless treasure they're sworn to protect. And these two pillars, they are completely intertwined. The people are literally the first line of defense. Their training, their competence, even their personal hygiene, it all directly impacts the safety of the product. And all of this is in service of the product itself, which is really just a promise to you, the consumer. GMP is what ensures that promise is kept, making absolutely sure that what's on the label is exactly what's inside the package. This quote right here really gets to the core of what GMP is all about. You can't just slap something together and then hope to catch all the mistakes with a final inspection. It just doesn't work. Quality has to be woven into every single step of the process. It's a totally proactive mindset, not a reactive one. Okay, so if our people are the well-trained defenders of the fortress, what are their battle plans? I mean, how do you make sure they do things right every single time? Well, that's where GMP's next pillar comes in. Clearly defined procedures and processes. This is the operational heart of GMP. It's the engine room. First, you create the procedures. These are the written rules that take all the guesswork out of the equation. An operator on Monday follows the exact same steps as an operator on Friday. These procedures then define the processes, the controlled specific methods for everything, from handling raw materials to the final packaging. But you don't just assume they work. No way. You have to validate them. You have to prove that the process consistently delivers the quality you expect. The crucial point here is there's no freelancing, no improvisation. It's just a proven, repeatable system. All right, we've got trained people. They're following validated plans. We're almost there. But where does all this amazing stuff happen? Well, that brings us to the final pillar of our fortress, the physical environment itself. The premises. You know, even with the best people and the most perfect plans, a dirty or disorganized factory floor just introduces a massive risk of contamination. That's why GMP demands that the facility itself is designed for quality. It has to be kept meticulously clean, super orderly with controlled access, and it needs regular maintenance and inspection. The building itself becomes a critical part of the quality control system. And so now we can see the whole picture. When you bring all of these pillars together, the people, the plans, the place, you get this complete, robust defense system. One that's designed to protect the product at every single stage of its life. And here it is, the complete quality fortress, all summed up in the 5 interlocking P's of GMP. You have your trained people protecting the integrity of the product by following documented procedures, which define the validated processes, all happening within clean and controlled premises. See how they all lock together? Not a single one of these can fail. They are all equally critical, and they have to work together as one single powerful system. So the next time you open a bottle of vitamins or use any other regulated product, you'll know. You'll know about the invisible fortress that was built around it to protect you. And it kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other complex, invisible systems are out there working in the background every day to keep our world safe and reliable? It's something to think about.